In today's video, I will walk you through how to voice chat in Claude AI. To get started, open the existing chat you want to use for voice chat, or start a new chat if you want to begin with a fresh conversation. Choose the conversation you want to continue. If you already have context in an ongoing chat, you can stay in that conversation and continue from the earlier messages. If you want to start with a new topic, you can use a new chat instead. Once you're inside the chat, look at the bottom right of the text field. You should see an audio waves icon. Click the audio waves icon to activate voice chat. Depending on your device or browser settings, you may be asked to allow microphone access. If that happens, approve the microphone permission so voice mode can hear you. After voice mode is active, you can start speaking to Claude. Talk clearly and at a normal pace. You do not need to use any special commands. You can ask questions, explain ideas, continue a previous topic, or talk through what you need help with. Simply speak naturally and thoughts direct. For a clearer voice chat experience, try to speak in a relatively quiet environment so your microphone can pick up your voice more accurately. If Claude does not catch something correctly, repeat what you said a little more clearly or shorten your sentence. Continue speaking naturally and clearly as you interact with Claude through voice chat. When you're ready to begin, make sure voice mode is active. Then start talking through your microphone. You can continue the conversation by speaking, asking your next question, explaining another idea, or continuing the topic already in the chat. That's all you need to do to voice chat in Claude AI. Choose an existing chat or start a new one. Look for the audio waves icon at the bottom right of the text field and click it to activate voice chat. If you are asked to allow microphone access, approve the permission. Once voice mode is active, speak clearly and at a normal pace. There are no special commands you need to use, so you can simply speak naturally as you continue the conversation. You can ask questions, explain ideas, continue discussing a previous topic, or talk through what you need help with. If Claude does not understand something correctly, repeat it more clearly or use a shorter sentence. With voice mode active, continue speaking through your microphone to interact with Claude in the chat. When you want to continue the conversation, simply keep talking and share what you want to ask or discuss. And that's how to voice chat in Claude AI. Don't forget to click the link in the description. Thank you for watching.